Good day, students. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Today, we are going to be continuing on our logarithms of numbers greater than 1. In our previous class, we have discussed on the addition, that is the multiplication and division of logarithms of number. Today, we want to look at the powers and roots of logarithms of numbers greater than 1. Just before we dive into this proper, if you are a new member on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell for my subsequent content. Example 1. Evaluate 53.75 raised to power 3. Now I want to evaluate this. Now, in order to evaluate this is power. So we have number log. So we have 53.75. Don't forget it has a power of 3. But let's look at the integer of this. The integer of 53.75, according to what we learned in our previous classes. If you have not watched the previous class, kindly check the description below to watch the video. Now the integer of this is 1 point. That is, you start from the back of the first digits. When you cover this and you count 1, and you must not jump the decimal points. So the decimal point will always stop us. So we have 1 point. Now we now check our logarithm. 53 under 7 difference 5. We have 7304. Now after this, you now put the power 53.75 is power 3. So when it comes to power, power is multiplication, while root is division. So we say multiply by 3. So we multiply by 3. 3 times 4, we have 12. 2 carry 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, we have 1. 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 times 7, we have 21. So we write 1 carry 2. Then we put our points. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 2 you've carried, that is 5. Now, we are done with the logarithm. The next thing is to get our answer. So you go and check your anti-logarithm. We check 0.19, that is 19. 0.19 under 1 difference 2 in our anti-logarithm table. We have 1553. Now, to put our decimal point, we're going to add 1 to this 5, making 6. So if you want to move your decimal point, this is not up to 6 digits. So that's our final answer. Or if you still want to put your decimal point, you add 0, 0 to the back. So we have 15530000 and so on. So we now move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 155300.00. So that is it. Example 2. Evaluate cube root of 350. Now we have number log cube root of 350. Now, you can first of all check for this. The integer of 350 is 2 points. 2 points. Now we now check our logarithm. 35 under 0. We have 5. We have 5, 4, 4, 1. Please, when you are checking your logarithm, always look at the title at the top, logarithm and logarithm, so that when you solve the previous one, you don't go and check it directly. You must make sure you check the subtopic to know if it is logarithm or anti-logarithm. Now, this cube root means to be divided by 3. Divided by 3. Now, to not divide by 3, 3 goes in 2. It's impossible. That is 0 points. Put the 2 here, making 5. 3 goes in 25. If you put the 2 here, it's going to be 25. 3 goes in 25. We are going to have 7. That is, we are going to have 8. That is 24. Remember that one. Put the one you're making 14. 3 goes in 14. We have 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. Remember 2. Put the 2 you're making 24. 3 goes in 24. We have 8. Remember nothing. Put the 3 goes in 1. This is 0. Remember 1. This is the 1. 3 cannot go in 1. Put 0 again. 3 goes in 10. We have 3. I continue like that. When it gets to 5 decimal places, you stop it. Now, we only need 4 decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. At the back of this 0, what do we have? 3. 3 is a number that is not up to 5. Any number from 1 to 4, you round down to 0. So we have 0.8480. Now, the final thing to now get our anti-logarithm, that's our final answer. What are you going to check? You check your anti-logarithm, 84 under 8. So we are going to have 7047. Now, to now place our decimal points, we add 1 to this 0. So we place the decimal points 1 places. So 7.047. Example 3. Evaluate cube root of 218 divided by 3.12. So we have number log. So we have 218. This is division sign divided by 3.12. Now, what is the integer of 218? So we have 2 points. Integer of 3.12, we have 0 points. Then we go and check our logarithm table. We check 21 under 8. We have 3, 3, 8, 5. Then we check logarithm 31 under 2. We have 4, 9, 4, 2. Now this division changes to subtraction. So we are going to have 5 minus 2, we have 3. 8 minus 4, we have 4. 3 minus 9 is impossible. Come and put 1 from here. This remains 2. Put the 1 here, making 13. 13 minus 9, so we have 4. This remains 2. 2 minus 4 is impossible as well. Go 1 from here. This remains 1. Okay, when you put the 1 you brought here in the front here, making 12. 12 minus 4, we have 8. Now the remaining 1 here, take it down. Now, if we now look at this question, we have cube root of 3. It means we're going to look for 218 divided by 3.12 to look for the cube root of 3. So cube root means divided by 3. So we're going to divide it by 3. Now, 3 goes in 1. 3 here, 1. 3 goes in 1 is impossible. We have 0 points. Put the 1 here, making 18. 3 goes in 18, we have 6. That 6 times 3 is 18. 3 goes in 4, we have 1. Remember 1. Put the 1 here, making 14. 3 goes in 14, we have 4. That 4 times 3 is 12. Remember 2. Put the 2 here, making 23. 3 goes in 23. So we are going to have 7. So 7 times 3 is 21. Remainder 2. Please remember 2. 3 cannot go in 2. Let's add 0 to the back, making 20. 3 goes in 20. We are going to have 6. That 6 times 3 is 18. Remember 2. So since we have about 5 digit number at the back of this decimal point, you stop it that way. Then we now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we need 4 digits after decimal points. So after this 7, we have 6. Now any number from 5 upward, you round up to 1. Add the 1 to this 7, making 8. So we have 0.6148. Now finally, we have to get our final answer by checking our anti-logarithm. 61 under 4 difference 8. 61 under 4 is 7882. Difference 8 is going to give us, difference 8 will give us 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 2, we have 8. So 8, 8, 7. So here, we are going to have 7, 8, 8, 8. So To put our decimal point, you add 1 to this 0, making 1, so it shifts. So we have 7.888. Example 4, we want to evaluate this. Here we have some values at the numerator and some at the denominator. So we have number, log, for our work to be neat. So we have 17.83 multiplied by 246.9. So what is the integer of the first one? The first value is there. We are going to have 1 point. The integer of the second one, we have 2 points. Then you check your logarithm. 17 under 8 difference 3. So we have 2, 5, 1, 1. Next one, 24 under 6 difference 9. We have 3, 9, 2, 5. Now this multiplication here we change to addition. So we have 1 plus 5, we have 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 5 plus 9, we have 14, 4 carry 1, 2 plus 3, we have 5, plus 1 we carry 6, plus 1 plus 2, we have 3. Now this is numerator. This is numerator. Let's take the value to the other side. 3.6436. Now, for the denominator now, we have 256.2 multiplied by 3.28. Now, the integer of the first one here, we have 2 points. And the second one, we have 0 points. Now, we check our logarithm. 25 under 6 difference 2. We have 4085. Now, let's check our logarithm. 32 under 8. We have 5159. Then this addition as well changes to, this multiplication rather, changes to addition. 5 plus 9, we have 14. You write 4, carry 1. 8 plus 5, we have 13, plus 1, 14. 4 carry 1. 0 plus 1, we have 1. Plus 1 we've carried, we have 2. 4 plus 5, we have 9. 2 plus 0, we have 2. So this one now is our denominator. Denominator. Then we take it to the other side. We have 2.9244. Now, if we look at the numerator and denominator, they are separated by division. So this division changes to what? Subtraction. Then we have to subtract. Now let's subtract 6 minus 4, we have 2. 3 minus 4 is impossible. Go out from here, put it here, making 13. 13 minus 4, we have 9. Then this remains 3 already. 3 minus 2, we have 1. 6 minus 9 is impossible. Go out from here, put it here, making 15. This remains 2. 15 minus 9, we have 6. So 2 minus 2, we have 0. Now, the next thing is to now find our final answer. Check your anti-logarithm. 0.61 under 9 difference 2. So we have 4161. Now to locate our points, decimal point, you add 1 to this 0, making 1. So it shifts 1. That is 4.161. Example 5. Evaluates these values. As we did from our previous example, it needs arrangement, and your arrangement should be neat. We have number, log, so we have Open your brackets, 36.12 raised to power 3 multiplied by 750.9. Now, let's check for the integer of this. 12, we have 1 point, while this one is 2 points. Now, for the first one, you check your logarithm, 36 under 1 difference 2. We have 5, 5, 7, 7. But power of 3, it means multiply by 3. So take your calculator and multiply it by 3. So we have 4.6731. If we look at the second one, no power, no division. So let's just shift this one here. 2 points. Now check your logarithm. 75 under 0 difference 9. So we have 8756. Now this multiplication changes to addition. So we add it up. 1 plus 6, we have 7. 3 plus 5, we have 8. 7 plus 7, we have 14. 4 carry 1. 6 plus 8, we also have 14. Plus 1, 15. 5 carry 1. Point. 4 plus 2, we have 6. Plus 1, you've carried 7. So that is 7.554. So this one now is our numerator. So this numerator now, we take it to the other side. So we have 7.5487. Now next one is for the denominator. Open your brackets, 113.2 raised to power 2 multiplied by square root of 92.5. So the integer of this one, the first one here, we have 2 points. The integer of 113.2. What the integer? So, okay, before we even check this, okay, let's check this one as well, because this is square root. The integer of this one also is 1 point. We now check our logarithm. 11 under 3 difference 2. We have 0.539. Then multiply by this to power of 2. So let us multiply it and write our answer. So we have 4.1078. The next one, we've gotten our integer to be 1 point. Then 92 under 5. So we have 9661. But now this is square root. What is in this cup is 2 divided by 2. So let's divide it by 2 as well. We have 0.9831. Now the next thing is to now look at this multiplication. It changes to addition. So we had 8 plus 1, we have 9. 7 plus 3, we have 10. That is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 8, we have 8. Plus 1, 9. 1 plus 9, we have 10. 0 carry 1. 4 plus 0, we have 4. Plus the 1 you've carried, we have 5. Now, this now is our denominator. Now we take it to the other side. 5.0909. So, and what is separating them together there is division. It changes to minus. So we have to subtract. Now let's subtract. 7 minus 9 is impossible. Come and borrow 1 from me, please, I'm making 17. 17 minus 9, we have 8. Then this remains 7. Don't forget when you borrowed. 7 minus 0, we have 7. 4 minus 9 is impossible. Come and borrow 1 from here. This remains 4. Put in 1 here, making 14. 14 minus 9, we have 5. Then this remains 4. 4 minus 0, 4 points. 7 minus 5, we have 2. So, to now check our final answer, we are going to check anti-logarithm. 45 under 7 difference 8. So we have 2, 8, 6, 9. Fine. To now locate our points, you add 1 to these 2. So 1 plus 2, we have 3. So you shift 1, 2, 3. So we have 2, 8, 6.9. So this is how to work out logarithms of number greater than 1. You can lay your hands on so many exercises. If you find this class so interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent contents. And do not forget to share, like, and comment so that other members can also benefit from it. So you can lay your hands on the exercises coming shortly.